Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will teach you that how you can change your picture into this beautiful design, same like in Photoshop. People are doing this kind of design in Photoshop, but I will teach you that how you can do it in PowerPoint. So let's start it. So first of all, go to the picture, select insert, from insert select from file, just select your picture that you want to use. Then the picture will appear here. So now I will adjust its opposite top and opposite bottom so that the picture should come at the middle. So I just increase and decrease the opposite top and bottom with some percentages. Now after that I will go to the shapes and I will select rectangles and draw the rectangles of the size 3.5 centimeter and 5.8 centimeter. After that I will just make the outline white and white outline. Then I will go to the width and I will increase the width to 3 centimeter, but 3 centimeter is little bit smaller, so I will go to the shape properties and the line I will increase it to 3.75. So I will take the multiple copies from it. Now I will select all the rectangles and will rotate a little bit. Now I will take same copies from these 4 rectangles to the right side. So I will just go to the rotate and make it flip horizontal. Now I will select all the rectangles and will go to format shape. In the format shape I will go to the fill, and the fill I will select slide background fill. Now you can see that 80% of our work is done. Now you are seeing a very little changes, but let me show that how much work we have done. So I will go to the shapes, and the shapes I will take the rectangle and draw the rectangle is the same size of the slide. Now I will change the color into white and no outline, and I will send it to back. So now you can see that how much work we have done, and this beautiful clipping mask design is made in the PowerPoint. You can change the rectangle color to black or gray, it's up to you. Now I will do a little bit more adjustment with it. So I'll take 2 copies of the rectangle and will place it here. Let me speed up so that I just rearrange the rectangles a little bit more. Now I will go to the shapes, and the shapes I will just select this preset, the preset number 1. So now you can see that a little bit more enhancement is occur in this design. This how you can make your design. This how you can change your picture into this beautiful clipping design. As the design is already made, so I will show you that how we can make it animated. So I will just take a copy from this slide. I will make a duplicate slide, and after making the duplicate slide I will come to the first slide and separate each part of this picture and will rotate a little bit. I will speed up it a little bit more. Now you can see it that the one slide is completely segregated into part, and I separate each part outside of the slide, while the second slide is completely fine and correct. So I will just go to transition, and transition I will select the morph. Now let me check it that how it's really look like. Now you can see in the transition how beautiful these pieces come together and make a perfect picture. So if you want to make your picture, follow up all the instructions that So thank you very much for watching the videos. If you want more videos like this, subscribe the channels and like it, share it with your friends. Now you can make your picture like this without Photoshop skills. Thank you very much for watching the videos. One request from all of you, please subscribe my channel so that it can motivate me and I can make a lot of videos like this for you. All are my teaching training section are free on YouTube, so you can visit the YouTube channel and watch it completely free.